Instead of deleting a piece and having to re-upload it all over again to change the category, you can now quickly change the classification of an item. Let's say I want to change the classification of this sweatshirt into a fitted sweater. I can do that in two ways. First would be to click the three-dot menu and hit Change Classification, or I can do it from the item pop-up itself by clicking on the two arrows icon. We've also added a way to duplicate a piece so that when you want to use a piece like the neutral skirt also as a tan skirt, you can now simply duplicate the skirt instead of needing to re-upload. This feature will also save any information you've written in the item notes. We recommend duplicating a piece before changing the classification if you've already used it in customized outfits. You can find how to do this in the same three-dot menu or within the item pop-up. Now you can easily switch pieces within categories and create any copies you might want.